It's official. I have arrived in Sydney. There's the Opera House, there's the Harbour Bridge. We're in the beautiful city of Sydney, Australia, and we're about to go on a harbour cruise, and you'll see what kind of boat we're about to go on, but I'm very excited. It is a stunning day, a bit windy. I'm so ready. Welcome to Sydney. Very excited. We're going on a tall ship and it's what a stunning day for it.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting
went on the tall
closer
ship.
every
It was amazing. I highly recommend doing the Sydney tall ship cruises. Well worth it, and because it was evening, we got the sunset and everything, and I did climb the mast. I will put in a couple of photos I kind of nicked from a couple of the other passengers onto it. So cool. Great start to Sydney. It's a really nice evening, and I don't know what I'm going to do now, but probably meander my way back to where I'm staying and then chill, and tomorrow more adventures will begin. There are bats. There are bats flying around. I don't know if you can see them. You might be able to hear them, but there are bats in these trees. And there was also fireworks. I don't really know what the fireworks are for. There are bats. It's a possum. Possum up the tree, bats in the trees. This tree.